Welcome to Idiots on the Road, where cars, chaos, and comedy collide. From shocking crashes to funny street moments, we bring you the wild side of driving. Stay tuned, because every second here keeps you hooked. Forget road rage, this is muscle rage, as a parked car gets lifted like it weighed nothing. A quiet night flips wild when dogs smash the car's front like it owed them money. Call it revenge or winter art, but that car just got gift wrapped in pure snow rage. Forget turning around. This driver turned the street into a free water park before fleeing the scene. Who needs therapy when you've got a hammer and a hood to destroy? He didn't need a tow truck. He just gave the bad parking a lesson with his bare hands. This isn't road rage. This is what happens when a personal dispute turns into an automotive assault. A $1 million car with a $30 lock. This is instant karma with an audience. This isn't a prank. It's a public service announcement on why you don't mess with office ladies.
It's just starting to get some saran wrap on it. We have about, what, 45 minutes until she gets out of FA?
Yeah. Yeah, we've got time. Oh my god! And everyone knows that truck too!
Yeah, finally a good lesson to be taught.
When firefighting meets car mischief, mirrors smashed, pipes running, and one car becomes a water source for the brigade.
And a fire breaks out, putting people's lives in danger.
One moment unpacking, the next moment gone. Some parking spots come with instant drama.
Manual recording will now start.
She just tore the whole stuff.
You've heard of road rage. This is what happens when you decide to take revenge on your own car.
Oh, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Some people leave a note after an accident, but this truck driver left a very expensive dent behind.
Mother! Are you serious?
You gotta stop.
Not an accident, not revenge, just a machine delivering perfect justice to a parking offender. The accident wasn't enough. His own car becomes the target while spectators enjoy the chaos.
You need to leave! You need to leave!
This car didn't get towed. It just got a life sentence in a garbage can prison. Think before you park. The street has new rules, and this machine enforces them brutally. One angry strike, one smashed mirror, and the scene flipped from prank to arrest in seconds. The street was calm until his bumper kissed the wrong car, leaving behind a dent worth remembering. A $1 million car with a $30 lock. This is instant karma with an audience.
Some think they're above the law, but no matter the price of the car, the rules are equal for everyone.
You've heard of road rage. This is what happens when you decide to take revenge on your own car. Kicks fly, tempers boil. This biker just turned a traffic jam into a street showdown. They wrapped his ride like a mummy. Revenge tape edition, and the street's laughing jury signs the verdict. This is a perfect example of why you never park in the way of a truck. This driver learned a hard lesson in physics, and the result is what you're seeing now. He didn't need a tow truck. He just gave the bad parking a lesson with his bare hands. Forget parking fines. This driver just got a full trash wrap penalty for their entitled parking. That's not an accident. It's what happens when a terrible driver meets the wrong corner. You've heard of chasing your dreams. This woman is just chasing her car, and it's a very expensive race. That's not an accident. It's what happens when a terrible driver meets the wrong corner. This isn't road rage. This is what happens when a personal dispute turns into an automotive assault. This isn't an accident. It's what happens when you try to argue with a train. A $1 million car with a $30 lock. This is instant karma with an audience. Welcome to the street. Here, we see a rare act of synchronized destruction, perfectly timed to a chorus of car horns.